Hello, I've been using the surround plugin for some weeks and it works great. It is a good plugin, but right now I am in the plugin hell. So I'm trying to remove a lot of stuff. And in this video, I will show you how to replace the core functionality of this plugin with three lines. Mm, well, first, what this plugin does is to add a symbol surrounding a word. If you press this combination, the symbol will be added surrounding the word. Okay, let's do it. If I press YSIW and the symbol will be surrounded. What I normally do using Vim is to press CIW and cut the text. Then I write a symbol and then I paste the text. So I can do this programmatically. So let's do it. First, I'm going to copy the word. I'm going to execute the command with normal YIW yank inside word. Then I'm going to get the word with beam fn get reg. Let's see how this works. If I run this, the word that is in the cursor should be displayed. So let's run this. Okay, we have the word. Let's put another thing. Okay. Now that we have the word, we can replace that word and paste with a symbol. So let's do it. I'm going to do vim command normal CIW. This will change the word. Then the symbol that I want, the word, and the other symbol. So with these three lines, you will get the same thing that the surround plugin. So let's do it. If I run this, if I'm over here and I run this, I must have this. Okay, so let's run it. Let's run it again. There. So the plugin have another things, but the only thing that I wanted is that The rest to do is to bind these three lines to a key map. So that is easy. Let's try to do it. I put vim key map normal mode. Maybe I want to do this. If I type the two symbols, I want that this happen. I don't want options. Okay. Have an error. Let's remove this. I have this thing. Okay, map set. Okay. So if I press the two symbols there, so I can replace now surround plugin. Well, hope you like it. See you.